Doing this vinyl plank job at the senior living facility. It's full of glue, residual glue from the original glue down carpet. We're gonna use these 4-inch scrapers. Scrape this whole floor up. This is what it looks like before. I'll show you what it looks like after. This closet's gonna be fun. I feel like the camera doesn't do it much justice, but that's a big pile of glue. Now that the job's complete, I'm gonna put some baseboards up. Got a new toy. About to bust this open and see what it do.